Hi everyone and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important credit card in my portfolio, and a kind of a card which has got a connection of a great importance with me in my credit card portfolio. So I'm talking about a credit card called the American Express Platinum Reserve card, my first ever card from the house of American Express, and that card has changed my perception towards what service is, what benefit it, what exactly the value of reward points are. And with the help of this video, I want to talk about so-called the quintessential credit card of my portfolio. So I'm going to give you a quick question over here and then a very important trivia for all of you. Now do tell me if you have to see this latest version of the American Express compared to let's say the old version. Tell me which one looks good to you, because I feel the fit and finish of this one is more premium compared to this particular card. So do tell me in the comment. Now, one of the important things about a Platinum Reserve card is this. So initially, if you had a Platinum Charge card under your belt, the Reserve card was used to be your companion card, and people in the Amex system, they used to happily offer American Express Reserve card if you have Platinum Charge card as a companion card, absolutely free of cost with a different set of limit. Now that story got barred when American Express got changed in September 2023, and a lot of changes which took place in terms of rewards and recognition. So I want to talk about some of my experiences with this particular card, and probably I'm going to run as well about some of the premium benefits, joining, complimentary, all the things which you're going to get. So let's begin one by one. So the moment you hold so-called this wonderful card from the house of American Express, what you end up paying is 10,000 plus GST, and the same goes for renewal as well. Now when you pay 10,000 plus GST and of course renewal fees as well, there are a couple of criteria. Criteria number one, if you're going to go through referral, which is there in a link, so use our subscribers referral link to gain advantage, you're going to get 11,000 plus 4,000 extra. So you get 15,000 MR points on the joining fees of American Express, and of course you're also going to get a lot of leverage going forward. When it comes to renewal option, now American Express is one such credit card system in India which primarily talks about happy negotiation skills. A lot of people, those who are street smart in the market, primarily talks about the negotiation points before they are about to renew their American Express Reserve credit card. Because do remember, American Express, when it was launched, let's say almost 6 to 7 months ago, the Reserve card, in terms of business in the market, they only had kind of 10,000 rupees as their renewal fees. And now the things have gone completely different. It has gone to a different limit, different expectation, and they have just changed the few important things with context to benefit. So first, let's talk about some of the important changes. With the help of American Express Reserve credit card, the biggest advantage which people don't know is this: whenever you refer, mind it all, whenever you refer anything and anybody from your American Express Platinum cards, you're bound to get 8,000 membership reward points. That's advantage number one. Advantage number two, more often than not, whenever you're going to get upgrade, and if you're already holding a Platinum Reserve card, there are high chances of you getting approval for Platinum Charge card in case if you're gunning for Platinum Charge card. Option number three, which is a big deal in terms of monthly milestone. So if you have enrolled yourself in the business of 50,000 monthly spend under American Express, initially it used to be 25,000 rupees per month, and they used to get 500 Amazon voucher. Now they have doubled the price. So it's 50,000 spend, which you have to enroll manually. Only then you'll be able to redeem, let's say, 1,000 rupees Amazon coupon every month post expenses of 50,000 under American Reserve credit card, which is a flat benefit of 12,000 rupees after expenditure of 6 lakhs if you calculate mathematically in the right sense. So obviously that's one of the highlights of this particular card. The other important aspect which I often talk to people, people often have discussed with me, and there's a question that they say, Amit, is it worth subscribing for Platinum Reserve credit card? Well, the question is very simple, and even the answer is very simple. If you are willing to go for a luxurious spend, be it airport lounges, that is 12 in a year, be it 3 complimentary priority pass lounges, international 3. Do remember, initially they used to offer Centurion access as well. Now the Centurion lounge access with the help of reserve card has been barred. God knows why, what are the reasons, I've got no clue about that, but then that has happened, and probably you may not be allowed to jump in the Centurion lounge, which used to be the case when you had American Reserve card, let's say almost 12 months ago. Now moving towards the other important benefits, they say under complimentary benefit they give you Prime Diner, Easy Prime Diner membership worth 1200 rupees. They also give you Taj Epicure Preferred Plus. Initially the usage was Taj Epicure, and now they have enhanced Taj Epicure Plus, and there's a minor change in that, just a set complimentary lunch and wine at a premium price of 3000 plus taxes. So that's the only addition you have. Apart from that, whatever Taj Epicure Preferred membership you used to get, so-called the advantage and the features, is already the same. So there are no such changes. Another important thing which people don't know about Taj membership with American Express, it is not going to offer you a complimentary room stay. Make sure about it. It is not going to offer you complimentary room stay, which you normally get when you pay the price manually for buying Taj Epicure Plus membership. So that's the only major difference between when you buy manually and when you buy, let's say, as a complimentary gift, which you get for Amex India system. Apart from this, there's one more major highlight which you should understand. American Express, if you compare this card with Emerald Metal and of course HSBC Premier, I just got to know, I think probably around about 6 months ago, that it offers curated experience for American Express membership, and these experiences are not going to be available, even though Emerald Metal also offers the same kind of Taj membership and the HSBC Premier. So American Express somewhere stands out in these kind of categories. Let's talk about the other advantages which you have. Now golfing, which used to be absolutely free, probably 4 times in a month, it has been barred and restricted, and you'll only be allowed when you spend probably 50,000 rupees in a quarter, in a previous quarter, which in my books, it sucks. American Express has a prestige, and people, those who pay 10,000 rupees fees, shouldn't be charged, because it is just like copying so-called ICICI Bank pathetic system of offering golf access and golf lessons. So that sucks. Whereas if you talk about the membership rewards point, each spend of 50 rupees is going to give you 1 MR point. There are 3x reward points as well, and for which I've given a link in my description. If you use the Amazon voucher and the Flipkart voucher with the help of my link, you should be able to redeem and complete your milestone. So that's another important feature you have with this particular card. Moving towards the other basic advantages which I've jotted down, which I would like to talk to you about, is Accor Plus membership, so-called silver status. First of all, I'm not really a fan of Accor Plus hotels. I find them somewhat cheap compared to Taj, because if you have experienced the hospitality of Taj hotel system in India, and I'm talking about beach 5-star resorts, I'm not talking about the Taj group of hotels, I'm talking about 5-star plus and above, the beach hotels, be it Goa, be it nearby beaches where you have most of the properties. When you go to Taj, nearby resorts and beaches are damn expensive, but trust me, they make every single penny count because of their hospitality and because of the way they approach and talk to you. So Accor silver status sounds premium, you can enjoy the stay, but take my words, it's not that great to have that. And then you also have something called redemption. Now in redemption of American Express membership rewards, you have multiple options. If you are going to redeem, let's say for example 1 lakh membership rewards point under a category called Platinum Reserve, you're going to get 50% value. Whereas the same redemption can be given with the 40%, 33 paisa as well, 40 paisa or 33 paisa when you go under a belt called Platinum Travel. So Platinum Travel Collection offers a better deal in terms of MR compared to Platinum Reserve, because Platinum Reserve has 50 paisa valuation, but it's only valuable when you go for a Marriott Bonvoy. It's 1:1. And I really don't recommend the flight booking and hotel booking, at least with the membership portal of American Express. They say they have concierge, they give you tickets, blah, blah, blah. Accepted, they have insurance, death insurance, all those things makes a lot of sense. But when it comes to all-time redemption policy, the biggest advantage which you need to do is with 2 options, Bonvoy and of course 50 paisa. And then if you're a fan of food and hotels and lounges, probably you have Barbecue Nation and all the restaurants, you have Marriott coupon and vouchers. So those things can be redeemed, but trust me, the value is just 25 paise. So the biggest advantage, if you want to gain the help of MR points, it has to be with the business of MR point, borrower points. And there are situations, there are festivals wherein if you transferred 1 lakh point, you get 1.30,000 points. So there are situations and festivities which you need to keep an eye on. And another important thing, a lot of people ask me how to form a membership under Marriott Bonvoy. It's absolutely zero cost, nothing. You do not need to pay a single penny. Just go ahead, open the website, register your name, and you are sorted. You get the membership of so-called Marriott Bonvoy, and you can easily club your so-called MR points into Marriott Bonvoy 1:1. And that's, people kind of don't pay attention. So please do that, because see, this is a damn expensive card. You're only going to get waiver when you spend almost 10 lakh rupees, and 10 lakh rupees for a common middle class man in India can be one heck of a charge. I normally don't recommend that option, but you know, I love this card, so I use it. That's one of the options, and this is my first Amex card, so I have personally a lot of attachment with that. Well, that's it. Nothing else to talk about on this particular card. I think I've already uploaded a video on Amex previously, so you can check that. If you want to check my Taj Epicure Plus membership, I'll leave the link somewhere on top, so you can also watch it out. The most important point which I'd like to highlight, I would highly love to recommend, and I highly recommend everybody, if you love credit cards, please read a book called Psychology of Money. It's mind-boggling. You know, it's gonna take your mental shape to a different level, because what money does to your brain, you should be able to read. And that book I've linked for all of you in the description, in case if you want to buy and check that out, because I find a lot of valuable lessons which I was not knowing, and I got to know with the help of Psychology of Money. Well, that's it in this video. I hope you like it. In case if you have any questions, put in the comment, talk to me, and please start subscribing our Stage 2 membership. You still have 8 spots left, and the Gold has got 27 spots left. And a special thanks to 3 of my subscribers, those who have joined the Gold. You know, my heart goes out to you for your loyalty and membership. And take my words, when I launch the iPhone Mega announcement on the 26th of December 2025, you will thank me for that. And that's a promise to all of you. You take care.